Hi guys, welcome to Dollar Adventures, and today we're going to put some decorations in our house on the windows. And it's reusable, and it's a sticker from Amazon. There's some bats, monsters, aliens, and we're gonna put them on the window. So yeah. Before we start the video, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys want me to keep doing Halloween videos, please like and subscribe. Bye. So today we are going to show you guys how to peel this decal sticker like these. You see some? Okay, anyway. So we're doing the upside down guy. So now we're going to peel it. So first you gotta do the bottom. As you can see, this is the bottom, right? So you have to carefully peel it so you find it, and then you can barely see it, but you find it. Peel it, you see it? Oh, so now you can barely see it, but you gotta peel it carefully because I might rip. And then boom! Sorry. Okay, boom! The upside down guy is here. Hello. Okay, anyway. And now my dad has to help me do the upside down thing.
Here you go. Here. Let's do this.
I'm too short, so he has to.
Can you stand here and show me? Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, I'm gonna trip. I wish I knew.
It's as easy as placing a sticker on the window.
It's kind of hard because you know stickers like have bubbles, like the Legos, and like Lego stickers are always frustrating to put. But guess how? Let's see. But think how hard it is when it's double the size. Yeah, whole thing. It was so slick, right? It took, I don't know how it's okay, we're gonna go outside and look. Guys, I'm actually outside right now in my house. But boom, this is what it looks outside. It looks kind of white. Hold up. Does that look weird, guys? Do you think that looks weird? I think because of the bubbles. It's fine. It'll look different at night anyway. Boom. Okay. So, thank you for watching this video. And coming to the end, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see me post new content, I'm probably gonna post new Halloween videos for my Gotcha Life videos, but I don't know, I'm kind of busy. And the long haired girl story the long haired girl story, I'm trying to work on the experiment one, like the trailer, because I put the trailer and I need to experiment because the lore and the countdown that you see in my playlist, like the emojis, like the 18, 19, that's for how much videos when the long hair girl story goes. Okay. New lore coming, but I'll try to post more this weekend. Okay, I mean today. Bye.